Rainforest Trust is saving habitat in Laos for the rare Asian unicorn. 133,090 acres in critical habitat comes under protection. Warrington, VA, March 2023. Rainforest Trust is working with Asian arcs to conserve the Khun Se Nong Ma National Protected Area that was recently declared led by the government of Laos. The KXNM area covers approximately 133,000 acres of the upper 75 Laos key biodiversity area in the Annamit mountain range. This mountain range in Laos and Vietnam has one of the highest species endemism concentrations of any continental ecoregion on the planet, and KXNM is one of the last undisturbed forest stretches in the region. This forest is home to many endangered red species. The critically endangered sawa, also called the Asian unicorn due to its mysterious and elusiveness nature, first discovered in the region in 1992. The antelope-like species seen in the header image is one of the rarest studied large mammals in the world due to its very rare sightings and its remote and inaccessible forest habitat. Due to the scarcity of the species, this is difficult for scientists to estimate population numbers, but based on reported sightings, it is likely that no more than a few hundred still survive at the best. Recent biological surveys and camouflage traps positioned throughout the new reserve did not find evidence of the sawa, but did confirm populations of other critically endangered species, including the large antlered muntjac, Annamit striped rabbit, southern white-cheeked gibbon, and red-sanged deer ranger. The new protected area encompasses one of the last remaining relatively undisturbed wet evergreen forests in the greater Annamit. Industrial levels of snaring have turned much of the Annamit into empty forest. Recent patrols conducted by Asian Oaks and members of the local communities found evidence of increased activity by commercial hunters and snaring gangs in the region. Asian Oaks and Rainforest Trust have developed an innovation and sustainable model for conservation that supports long-term protection, working with the local communities of approximately 2,659 people in enlisting their support. The goal is to employ local residents to assist in patrolling the areas, removing snares and working as staff at a state-of-the-art biological research station. We applaud the visions of the government of Laos in recognizing the importance of protecting this critical habitat, said James Durst, PhD, CEO of Rainforest Trust, and we are thankful for the great work of Ace and Ux. Both have been essential in making this position. Our hope is that the future years, aerial students and visitors and scientists will be able to grasp the Asian unicorn and the amazing species in this forest, safely thriving in secure habitat, added the church. This is from rainforest.org.